Hello friends, I welcome you back to this channel where we discuss the latest happenings with detailed information to keep you updated. Please, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, please subscribe to the channel. Now let's go right into the video and stay tuned to the end. Thank you very much. Nwanna Kenyi NNAMDI Kanu, born September 25, 1967 at Afara Ukwu, Abia State, Nigeria, was last arrested on October 14, 2015 on 11 court charges bordering on terrorism, treasonable felony, managing an unlawful society, publication of firearms, and improper importation of goods, among others. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, NNAMDI Kanu, has been arrested and brought back to Nigeria to face his trials. Nigeria Attorney General and Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami, at a joint press briefing on Tuesday with the State Security Service (SSS) in Abuja, disclosed that international collaboration efforts with security agencies led to Mr. Kanu's arrest and repatriation to Nigeria. Mr. Kanu and his co-defendant are facing treasonable felony charges at Federal High Court, Abuja.
The Federal High Court, Abuja, where NNAMDI Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, is going to be arraigned. He's expected to be arraigned here at the Federal High Court, Abuja, any moment from now. Kanu has just been extradited back to Nigeria after he's been absent for more than 14 months from the court. He was being prosecuted at the court for alleged treasonable felony following his agitations for a Republic of Biafra. Kanu was arrested in the UK and brought back to Nigeria, and he is expected at the Federal High Court Abuja here, where the cable is covering live any moment from now. At the Federal High Court Abuja, where NNAMDI Kanu is going to be arraigned any moment from now by the federal government.
Was also accused of instigating violence, especially in southeastern Nigeria, that resulted in the loss of lives and property of civilians, military, paramilitary, police force, and destruction of civil institutions and symbols of civil authorities. Self-acclaimed leader of the proscribed secessionist indigenous people of Biafra, NNAMDI Kanu, has, for your information, been intercepted through the collaborative efforts of the Nigerian intelligence and security services. He has been brought back to Nigeria in order to continue facing trial after disappearing while on bail regarding 11-count charge against him. Recent steps taken by the federal government saw to the interception of the fugitive Kanu on Sunday, the 27th day of June 2021. Inande Kanyi Nnamdi Kanu was born on the 25th September 1967 at Afara-Ukwu, Abia State, Nigeria, and is indeed a holder of Nigerian passport number AO A05136-827, first issued on the 17th October 2013 at Festa, Lagos. For your information, distinguished members of the press, Kanu is as at now been produced before Federal High Court in continuation of hearing of his case, in respect of which he has evaded and indeed jumped bail. Thank you very much, distinguished members of the press, for your participation.
The federal government has just brought Kanu to court, but they are preventing the media from getting, pictures of him. He just arrived at the court moments ago, but covered by the JSS operatives that just brought him to court. Over there, what we are learning now, Kanu was secretly brought inside the court premises, and the federal government prosecution team had applied for remand. From what we understand, and they couldn't allow the media to get a glimpse of him. But at the moment, it seems they are still holding him detained in one of the courtrooms at the moment. We are here with his legal team and see if he will speak to the cable on the situation.
I don't even know whether, but if not that I called you, yes? You not even. So me say, what are you talking? You didn't know what to say.
Yeah, just tell us what. How would you assess? How confused are you? What would you say you've learned? Have you been informed about any development so far? Has the federal government informed you about any development? Have you been officially communicated that your client was arrested and extradited back to the country?
What type of stuff?
So we are here with one of a member of NNAMDI Kanu's legal team. His name is Maxwell. So he was going to address the media, but he just declined that he isn't going to speak again over fear of intimidation by the DSS authorities that just brought NNAMDI Kanu moments ago. Live here at the Federal High Court, Abuja, where Kanu was supposed to be arraigned. We are still waiting for his arraignment. As you can see, the media is here present. The cable covers, the cable is present at the moment, trying to see how things unfold. There is apprehension, there is tension even within the court premises. No one knows for sure where Kanu has been taken to, any of the court rooms he's been taken to. He was expected to be arraigned at the court room 5 at the Federal High Court complex here, but it appears as though the federal government has maybe changed their plans or keeping hold on that. So we expect that the federal government is going to apply for a remand to get him detained in the DSS custody pending his next appearance in court. None of that is certain yet. The federal government prosecution team is silent on that yet. The cable had earlier approached NNAMDI Kanu's lawyer, one of his lawyers, but he says he can't speak at the moment. That's him standing over there, Mr. Okbara. So yeah, we are live here at the Federal High Court Abuja, where Kanu is supposed to be arraigned. It's a full house with the media here, with lawyers on the ground, and with police officers and other security agencies, tight security here at the Federal High Court premises, where Kanu is expected to be arraigned. And we are still waiting here. This is the Federal High Court Abuja, where Kanu is being prosecuted for alleged treasonable felony. He was granted bail in 2017 and he left the court. He was granted bail in 2017, and he was released from prison where he was being held in 2019, and since then no word yet about his appearance.
I confirm whether the one or not. No, they are connected.
So there's a confusion at the court premises now. The prosecution team, the DSS operatives that brought him to court, says that they didn't want the media to get close to Kanu or to even see a glimpse of him. He was covered. Kanu was covered. Hooded to cover with the DSS operatives, and they couldn't allow the media to get a glimpse of the IPOB leader. So now there are questions as to if really he is NNAMDI Kanu. The journalists on the ground said most of them didn't get a glimpse of him. The federal government has released pictures claiming to be that of NNAMDI Kanu, but then no one is sure if he is still at the court premises, if he has been taken away. No one is certain about any of that. We are still at the court premises where Kanu is expected to be arraigned in the court. Any moment from now, the Federal High Court Abuja, where he is facing trials for alleged treasonable felony. You would recall Kanu was granted bail earlier, and he later absconded after jumping his bail, and he's been in the UK where he was arrested yesterday and extradited back to the country today. He is currently in Nigeria and expected to appear in court for continuation of his trial. Live here at the Federal High Court Abuja.